So here's the question. Why would anyone pick up the Umidigi G100A? When for its price bracket, you can get a mid-ranger from brands like, say, Samsung, Xiaomi, or even Tecno. What makes this one stand out or not stand out? I've been testing the Umidigi G100A for a while, and honestly, it's not your usual budget mid-range phone. On paper, it doesn't look impressive for the price, but you know, specs don't always tell the full story. For first impressions, it actually looks more premium than I expected. The back has this nice textured finish that doesn't pick up fingerprints like crazy. But let's be real, it's still plastic. And I'm not sure what quality of stickers they use, but I keep getting this crazy sticky residue on all their devices. It is quite weighty though, at 205 grams, and almost uncomfortable to hold. What do you think? Does build quality matter to you at this price point? Let me know in the comments. Now on the screen, it's a 6.9-inch 120Hz display, and for everyday scrolling and watching YouTube, it's perfectly fine. Colors are decent, brightness is okay, but put it next to some of the alternatives and you'll see the difference. The bezels are chunky, the resolution isn't the sharpest, and it rocks a teardrop selfie camera. Is this a deal breaker? Well, depends on what you're coming from, performance-wise. And this is important. It runs a Unisoc T615 paired with 4GB of RAM. Day-to-day stuff like browsing, social media, and even light gaming, kinda smooth. Even though I hate the slight second or two delays when opening apps or folders. And if you're the type who pushes phones with heavy multitasking or long gaming sessions, you'll feel the limits pretty quickly. Pretty disappointing it's shipped with Android 14. But at least it has 128GB of storage. Camera time. This is always the big question with budget phones. 13 megapixels main camera and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. In good light, you can actually get some usable shots. Nothing amazing, and definitely not social media worthy. For low light, just forget about it. Shoots videos at 1080p 30 frames per second. It can't be compared to, say, the Tecno Spark 40, which is reasonably cheaper, by the way, or even the Samsung Galaxy A05 from a few years ago. You can see the difference. The selfie camera is there, it takes selfies. That's about it. Are you expecting flagship camera quality for under 200k? I hope not, but it shouldn't be this bad. In my opinion, this is outright terrible. Battery life though, that's one area it actually shines. The 6000 mAh battery easily gets me through a full day, sometimes more. For budget-conscious users, that's a big win. Sadly, its 20 watts charging feels like a huge letdown. So back to the question, why the Umidigi G100A over a Samsung A series, Xiaomi Redmi, or even a Tecno in the same price bracket? If you want clean software, solid battery life, and you don't care too much about premium camera performance, this could make sense. But if brand reliability, after-sales support, or a stronger ecosystem matters to you, maybe stick with the more established mid-rangers. Plus, for this price range, they are pretty much all better than the Umidigi in almost all areas. So, honestly, I'd say avoid this one. Would you take a chance on a brand like Umidigi, or play it safe with the familiar names? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Watch any of these tagged videos for alternatives. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again, bye bye. When for its price bracket, you can get a mid-ranger from brands like, say, Samsung, Xiaomi, or even Foka.